We're going to have a patty mukbang.
Patty mukbang.
Okay, so when we get the patty, we'll meet you guys back, okay?
Okay, bye.
Jamaican patty. This is cheese patty.
Cheese patty?
I have cheese patty too.
Me too.
Yummy, guys.
And I have
So it
Big
has
Joe.
beef and a lot of cheese and spices.
So this is like traditional for us here in Jamaica, where we'll have a nice juicy beef patty with a Big Joe box drinks. Yes.
It's from juicy beef.
Juicy beef.
So if you can see it, it's very delicious. This box drink here, it's been around ages, guys. So if you come to Jamaica, have a nice juicy beef patty with a Big Joe box drinks. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Delicious.
I have cherry pineapple.
I have pineapple.
Pineapple.
Which one do you have?
Can't come to Jamaica and not have a juicy patty, guys.
Never.
Very tasty. See all that beef and cheese.
There's all types of patty. You don't have to choose only cheese. There is beef.
So they do have vegetarian patty, guys. They have chicken patty. They have soy patty. Mega patty with lettuce and tomatoes. Yum.
The shrimp patty is basically
And shrimp patty, lobster patty. You name it, we have it.
Even ackee patty.
Yes. Oh, and you have to come to Jamaica and you have to eat the national dish.
Patty and sausage, that is.
That's delicious.
Oh my god. Oh, look at that.
That's gonna be delicious.
I love their caramel porridge in the mornings. My god, look at that.
All
Oh my
done.
god.
You guys have to try it.
I need napkins.